ngifuna ukuthi iphupho lakho lifezeke.
I want the dream to come true.
Mawuza kwi-one on one.
When you come to the one-on-ones,
Indoda
a man is a man
nezenzo
with his actions
esikhombisa ukuthi
that show
lo
that
muntu usendoda.
this person is a man.
Letha nani. Uthi ubaba ngale 500 rand.
The man says with this 500 rand,
Wafika la one on one.
came here to the one-on-ones
Wafika
consultations.
ukuthi ingelosi imphamandla ukuthi ashade.
He asked the angel to give him power to get married.
Akezwe. Ahayi manje nanga amaringi amhlophe phakamisani
Here are the rings so that people see.
manje waphinda washona ekhaya.
And then you went back home.
Ekhaya futhi.
Laphinda ngashona ekhaya nakhona labulala inkomo nakhona nayenza konke ekhaya.
Ashaye ihlombe.
Clap your hands.
Yabo okay. Usenza?
Where do you work?
Sebenza emayini.
Mine.
Yeah, emayini ebhekisa.
Usuka eLimpopo manje.
You're from
Emayini
Limpopo right
eLimpopo
now.
ba.
Usuka eLimpopo.
You're from Limpopo now.
500 rand uyabonga.
500 rand is thankful.